When your bare-rooted trees arrive from Garden Express, here's what you need to do. Open the box as soon as it arrives and remove your trees. The bare-rooted trees have been put into bags with damp sawdust around the roots to keep them from drying out during transport. But they need to be removed from these bags the same day you receive them. Discard or compost the sawdust. You no longer need this. If you're not ready to plant them immediately, you can heel them in. This can be done in the ground or in a pot. Simply dig a hole deep enough so that their full root ball can be covered by soil, or choose a deep enough pot and half fill it with potting mix. Once you've knocked off any sawdust from the root ball, place the bare-rooted trees into your hole or pot and ensure the roots are completely covered with soil or potting mix. Keep the soil or potting mix around their roots damp but not soggy until you are ready to plant them. When you are ready to plant, leave the roots to soak in a diluted seaweed solution for at least an hour. Check for any damaged roots and cut these off with sharp secateurs. I'm going to plant this dwarf cherry tree into a large pot, and then next I'll show you how to plant a bare-rooted tree in the ground. 2/3 fill a large pot with premium potting mix. Hold your bare-rooted tree into position and check that the final level of the potting mix will cover the roots but not the graft. While holding the tree upright, backfill around the roots with more potting mix. Once your new tree is planted, you'll need to cut the growth back by 30 or 50%. This is going to encourage strong root growth and healthy branching. Water your new tree in with a diluted seaweed solution to help stimulate new root growth. When you are ready to plant your bare-rooted tree, pop it in a bucket of diluted seaweed solution while you prep the hole. Once you've got the hole at the right depth, it's a good idea to mix some compost and pelletised chook manure through the loose soil at the bottom of the hole. While holding the tree in position, backfill around the roots, making sure that they're all completely covered with soil. Sprinkle in some more compost as you go if needed. Use the diluted seaweed solution to water in your new trees. Once you've got your bare-rooted tree planted, you need to cut the canopy down by 30 to 50%. This will help encourage root growth and the plant to establish better in its new home. As the weather warms up, this Cercis Fairy Queen is going to burst into life and fill in this space really nicely.